So I'm gonna have to be in like a Halloween video for work, and I'm trying to figure out what exactly to wear, because everyone knows I dress like this. Well, not everybody, but like my boss knows I dress like this. So I feel like I should be, you know, something extravagant, because it is Halloween, even though I don't wear this for Halloween. I wear it every day, but you know. I don't own any Halloween prints, so I'm thinking I'm gonna wear this velvet tiny garden print. It's not a print. This velvet tiny garden dress with this hat that I just picked up from Spirit Halloween, but I want to figure out what kind of blouse to wear under it. I was originally thinking red. I don't know how I feel about this, but I'll show you the other ones that I'm thinking about, and you can tell me what you think would work. So we have this checkered sweater that I got from H&M Paris. It is super, super comfy. So these together, kind of, you know, like that, which I think could be cute. But I don't know, is that Halloween-y? And plus I already wore that for like a Halloween TikTok. This is for like a live stream though. Or I have this like orange sweater, which could be cute. But is this, you know, too fall and not enough Halloween? I kind of like this though. I kind of like that pop. Or my last option is actually Lolita. So it's this Peter Pan color blouse by Tiny Garden, just short sleeve, white, super simplistic, but again, does that come across like Halloween? Because like, I think it will. If I, you know, add the hat, it'll come across as Halloween, but I don't know. But I think I want to try this with the orange first. Let's go. I can't even lie, this is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. This is adorable. Do I even want to try anything else? I guess so, because I said I would, but I love this. This is so cute. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, this is the orange sweater. How are we feeling about this? I like this. I don't know if I like this as much as the red, but does this read more as Halloween? Let me know. I need help. Ooh. No, I like this one a lot too. Is this better than the red? I think it's between the red and the checkers now, because I like the checkers a lot. This looks very, very witchy and Halloween to me. Oh, I like this. Okay, which one's the best? I love this one too. This is obviously like the most Lolita-esque one since it's a Peter Pan colored blouse. I love this. Oh my god, I feel like red, checkered, and this Peter Pan one are all winners. Please let me know. Someone please help me out. I don't know if I can decide which one. God, these are so cute. I love this dress. This Tiny Garden dress, 10 out of 10. Okay, please help me decide. Thank you. Thank you so much. Please help. Please comment. Please.